In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import passwords from Google Chrome to Brave browser. To begin, open the Brave browser on your computer. Make sure Brave is fully launched and you are on a normal browser window, not a private window. This process uses Brave's built-in import tool, which can bring over saved passwords along with other browser data, depending on what is available on your system. Next, go to the top right corner of the Brave window and click the three horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger menu. This opens a drop-down with several options for controlling how Brave works. From that drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to Brave's Settings page, where you can manage browser features, privacy options, and data tools. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct place because the import option is inside the Setup section. On the left-hand sidebar, click Get Started. This area is designed to help you set up Brave when you first install it, but it is also where you can import information from another browser at any time. If the sidebar is not obvious, just look along the left side of the Settings page and select the entry labeled Get Started. Now click the option that says Import Bookmarks and Settings. This opens the import window where you choose which browser you want to import from. Brave will look for supported browsers installed on your computer. In the drop-down list of browsers, select Chrome. This tells Brave to pull your data from Google Chrome, including saved passwords that Chrome has stored locally for your profile. For the smoothest import, it helps if Chrome is closed in the background, but you can continue as long as Brave can access the profile information. Once Chrome is selected, click the blue Import button. Brave will begin the transfer. This should only take a few moments, but timing can vary depending on how much data you have saved. When you see the confirmation checkmark, click Done to finish. At this point, your Chrome passwords should now be available in Brave, and you can start signing in on websites using Brave's password manager. And that is all there is to it.